Did Christmas leave you drowning in debt? And now you've woken up in January and you're freaking the hell out because you don't know how you're going to pay any of it off, and your credit cards are maxed and your bank account's in overdraft, and making the minimum payment seems quite near impossible. And so you start going down the Google box and trying to figure out, how can I get out of debt? That's probably how you found me. How can I get out of this Christmas debt? And you find the traditional advice. You're finding people who are telling you, map out your debts from smallest to largest. Stop spending on things you want. Only concentrate on things you need. Stop borrowing money and racking up the credit card. Get another side job, another side gig, delivering food or Uber or DoorDash. But what if none of that works for you? What if you can't save money? What if you can't stop spending? What if you have important, things or occasions coming up? Like maybe you need your kid or your grandkid to have braces. Maybe you want to go on vacation. Maybe your fridge mysteriously stopped working. Maybe you need to buy a new car. So you need to find a way to make money fast now because you've tried saving and you've tried stopping spending money and none of it works. Because maybe you're already operating bare bones in terms of monthly expenses and monthly budget. Maybe there's zero wiggle room to cut anything back. So what if I told you that there was a way that you could claw your way out of debt, whether it's Christmas debt or divorce debt like I had back in the day, or just regular everyday, this economy's in the toilet debt? What if I told you there was something, a digital online solution staring you right in the face and you're just not recognizing the opportunity? Now, if you want to skip ahead, go down to the comments of this video, drop a comment, drop money. I'm going to send you the exact strategy that I'm using, that I've used to claw my way out of debt, that I am teaching other people around the world how to make money from the corner of their kitchen table. Okay, so just drop down to the comments and I will get you a short video and some info, and you can bypass this whole video if you don't want to see this giant head on screen. Okay, so no worries. So what if you could help people make extra money and at the same time make yourself some extra money? How would that feel? You can do this by starting an online business, selling courses for 100% profit. Yeah, you heard me, a 100% profit in your pocket. By reselling a digital course that somebody else created, that somebody else tested, that somebody else marketed, that somebody else proved. Now these 48,000 other people, including myself, they're not geniuses, right? They're not gurus, they're everyday average people, but the difference between you and me and them is that we recognized the opportunity when it was presented to us. We didn't talk ourselves out of it. We didn't find reasons not to do it. Like we jumped in even when we felt completely scared and overwhelmed because we were willing to do things differently. Because if you don't do things differently, nothing's going to change. So I started looking for proof. These people started looking for proof. Let's find people who are actually making money doing this. Now, what do these people have in common? What they have in common is that they all invested in the same program and followed the exact same blueprint to make extra money, working from home, 2 to 3 hours a day. The blueprint shows you how to master digital marketing, how to master social selling. Don't get too freaked out about the selling because the automated system you're going to get for free does the selling for you. But the program taught them exactly what they needed to do for 2 to 3 hours a day. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Like I always tell people, tell it to me like I'm a 2-year-old. The blueprint really maps out the plan. Now, I said don't get too freaked out about selling because a lot of people come at me and go, yeah, of course I want to get out of debt. And of course I'd love to start my own online business, but I'm freaked out by selling. I don't want to sell. I don't want to hit people up. Here's the silver lining. When you invest in this program, you're going to get the automated sales tools, the website, the lead generation funnel, all the emails. We're going to show you how to set everything up. And then that automated system is going to do the selling for you. So you don't have to hit people up in the DMs. You don't have to friend request people. You don't have to approach strangers at the grocery store. All you have to do is learn how to create content that is attractive enough, that explains the program and the opportunity, just like I'm doing right now. And then that person, that potential buyer, you're going to encourage them to put their email in to a system that we're going to give you. And again, you can actually find out what this is all about by going down to the description of the video, hit the link, put your email in. Put your email in, and then my system is going to send you all the information on this program, on this course that you can resell for 100% profit. It's going to give you a short video from me and the actual blueprint that 48,000 other people, including myself, are using to start an online business, to make money from home, to claw their way out of debt, okay? You can be a complete beginner with zero tech experience. The last thing you wrote was your grocery store list. Don't freak out about that. No matter where you are in life, in business, in your skill set, you're going to learn, because that's the bonus of the program. As you're learning all the skills you need to resell this course, you're also going to be learning how you could potentially create your own digital program, like a course or an ebook or a video. So a lot of people will say to me, well, what the heck do I get with this thing? I just don't want to buy a course to sell a course. You're not. You're really investing in a program that's going to teach you how to become an online entrepreneur, that's going to teach you all the basics of digital marketing and online learning. It's going to give you the 4 products to resell for 100% profit. That's how you're going to claw your way out of debt. So I'm not here to tell you, save more money, stop spending. I'm telling you, you got to spend a little money to make a little money. But you got to be willing to learn in order to earn. That's the basis of what I'm teaching you and what I'm here to really explain today. You're going to learn, but at the same time, you're going to earn. Now, I started out $5,067 in debt. And in less than 3 months, I wiped out that debt and made more. Day 11, I made my $900 investment back. That's the harsh, cold reality. I did not make money day 1. Why? Because I took the first 11 days to learn. Remember, I said you have to be willing to learn in order to earn. You have to understand how you can show up consistently and what you need to do each and every day. You have to understand what you're selling and what people are buying. Now, all I did to make that $5,067 debt disappear is that I followed the plan. I didn't improvise. I didn't try to DIY my way or try to find a shortcut. I followed the plan. I followed exactly what they told me to do for 2 hours a day. And I stuck to it, and I was consistent. And at the same time, each and every day, I would go into my online portal and I would see what kind of training, what kind of coaching is available to me today, so that my mind was right and I was in the game. No matter if I woke up in the morning with a little bird telling me, what the hell are you doing? This ain't gonna work. I made sure that I surrounded myself with other people in the community who were 10 steps ahead of me, so that I always felt supported. So how did I make that $5,067 to wipe out my debt? I followed the proven plan. And again, you can get that plan below. Just go to the link, click it, put your email in, and you're off to the races. What did my day look like? Basically, my day looked like a 2-hour block. I would do an hour in the morning and an hour in the evening. And I did the same 4 things each and every day. And the program taught me how to do those 4 things. I had never done a lot of what they were teaching me, even though I was well versed in the online world. I was learning, and I was willing to learn so that I could earn. And then when I felt I'd learned enough, I turned around and started making people offers. I started creating content, content that they showed me how to create, content that they gave me that I could copy and paste. And I started putting content out onto 2 platforms. And again, you will learn what platforms you should be using. And people started to message me. I was not reaching out to people. They were reaching out to me. And that's the basis of the program. You're going to learn what we call attraction marketing, so that you're putting out content that attracts and compels people to reach out to you. And that's why I tell you there's really no hard selling. The reason this works is because it solves the number one problem people have. Just like you, that's why you're watching this video. You're looking for ways to make extra money without taking on another side gig, without becoming a Walmart greeter, without delivering more Uber Eats, right? Without, I don't know, babysitting kids in your basement. You're looking for ways to make extra money. This program is going to teach you how to make extra money, but it's also going to teach other people how to make extra money. So it's a win-win. When people are out there Googling how to make extra money, you're going to swoop in and we're going to show you how to do this, and you're going to make people an offer just like I'm doing today. And go down to the comments, drop make money, and I'm going to send you a short video from me and some info on that exact blueprint that I followed. I did the same 4 things each and every day to wipe out that $5,067 debt in 60 days, okay? And you'll get my email. So if you have questions, you can actually email me, and I would tell you if this sounds like a good fit for you or not. Because if you're not willing to be consistent and you're not willing to learn or to deprogram what you think you already know, this is not going to work for you. But if you're sitting out there and you've blown your budget and you're struggling, I just got off the phone with someone and they were telling me, like, I don't have any more hours in the day to take on another side job. That's why this works, because you're harnessing the power of the online world. Your potential customer could be living in another state, another country, another continent. Now, I pride myself on not making a lot of overly inflated promises. I'm never going to promise you that you're going to make $900 a day. Absolutely not. I do not make $900 a day. That's the truth. But I will guarantee you that the potential is there, because you're going to have all the tools and all the systems you need to build a 6-figure business, to get yourself out of debt, to plan for your future. It's all there waiting for you. You just have to take advantage of it, just like I did. Just like I did. Just like this person did. Plus, you get 4 built-in products to resell for 100% profit. So you get the products to sell, you get the learning component, you get the coaching, you get all the systems and tools, everything you need in that toolbox to help you start and launch your 6-figure business. So you can take that damn trip, girl. And again, there's no inventory. These are not physical products. There's no team building or recruiting. You're not relying on other people in your downline or your upline or however that works. You're selling something, and when you sell it for $900, you get $900. If you sell the $600, you get the $600. So it's 100% in your pocket. And we're going to show you how to connect your bank account and all that fun stuff. So don't worry about that. So drop a comment below and I will gladly share with you the program, the course, the blueprint, a short video. I'll give you my email address, because I absolutely 100% want to help you build a business that pays you to live an exceptional life. I hope to see you on the other end, and watch the next video.